Hey guys, it's me, the Nyan Cat. I'm on the fridge, yeah! I'm playing on Moonbase 9. Hope you guys like. I barely got anything from spawn, don't know where anything is, because I don't know how to get to anything, because everything's like really dark on the server.
This
But
really sucks. I fell off the map. You'll see it on my point of view.
oh, never mind. I can
fell.
actually see stuff, sort of.
Chunks no load. I fell out of map.
Going to the worm building.
Lucky you. You're actually in the game. I'm just slowly drifting into the void as I try to get into a cave.
No chest, no chest, no chest, no chest. Any ladder? No ladder, no ladder. How do we get out of here? How do we, okay.
I don't want to die
building.
by this lava. Yeah, I'm gonna die by some lava.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I fell into the void. No.
How do we get in there?
No, I didn't. I'm just floating at the bottom.
How do we get in there?
Dude, I win. GG.
Why?
Because I found the map and I'm under it.
Seriously?
Yeah. How do you
Oh, there's a shop in there. How do you what?
Yourself?
How do you what?
Yourself? Like /fix or something.
I guess so. How do you get back into spawn?
/fix. Help.
Chest. Hopefully no one's got it, but I'm pretty sure there's people. Keep I see you. Oh, no, I don't. I don't see you. No,
How do you see me?
I don't see you.
We can all kill non-donors. No! Look at all the donors compared to us. I'm falling.
How sad.
Guys, this is really, really boring for you.
Well, it must be. It might not be.
They might think it's cool to be in the void, just doing nothing.
I know, right?
Let's just. Oh gosh, that's horrible. I got 10 right now.
I'm gonna go to the shop.
Getting punched. Yeah, I'm gonna die.
I think this is where the shop is. No. Food. Break it.
I'm gonna die.
I don't know. Hope not.
I was just getting hit. Yeah, I'm still getting hit. Yeah, I died.
You died? Oh yeah, you were slain by someone. Hey, spectate me.
Okay. What? My Ender Pearl just disappeared. I have to fly to you. Where are you? Describe where you're at.
I don't know how to, but I have a wet noodle. Heck. 2 different types of carrots. What is this madness?
Take it. That was my aunt. Yay, I got my Ender Pearl back. What are you? I don't see you. Oh yeah, the emerald blocks are. Wow, you really have nothing.
I know.
I don't know if you can hear him or not, because this is my first recording Radiomatic, so. Dang, that Cicerois guy is really, really doing good.
So,
You're in nature room. In the night, I feel a cold presence on my cold shoulder. I can't sing. I don't even know the song.
I got an axe.
That's just what you need.
Just what I need.
I lost you looking around the nature room.
Alright, how do I get back to spawn?
The fridge. Wow, I like how there's just like wood textures down here, and it just says the fridge.
How do I get back to spawn?
Okay, so there's the nature room.
Is it this way?
Get out of the nature room. From the. Wait. Yeah, go that way and then turn left. No.
Deathmatch.
Dang, there's only non-donors now.
4 people.
Non-donors for the
I'm gonna
win.
die.
How?
Have you seen my stuff lately?
Oh, that's pretty good stuff, bro.
Yeah.
I want to see what everybody else has. Yeah, you're gonna die from. Nah, he has nothing. But is that one guy still alive? Dead Assassin and Sisizum, whatever his name is. Sorry, I can't pronounce it.
If I win, GG! Probably not going to though.
They couldn't see my hotbar.
Chest. There ain't nothing in it. I think I've already been on that chest.
Spawn's over here. It's just frozen, and I think. Well, there's only 10 seconds. Bye. I have 90 points. Yeah.
I'm chasing after this guy.
You're gonna die already?
No. I'm running.
How many hearts?
8.
Watch out, that guy's behind you. He's chop. Dude, if you win, oh my gosh, GG. Hey, look, I can upload, yeah.
Dude, I'm just waiting for people to like die and then I'm collecting their stuff.
Hey, look, guess what? I can at least upload.
Oh, bad. Oh, that's scrap.
Guys, come for you.
Okay. Die.
No, fuck the team.
I have to kill him so I can get pants. Give me those pants. Full
No,
chain!
they're both coming for you. They tried to hit you with a snowball.
Do you have a sword? No. If I win.
GG, dude, if you win. You two need to team on that guy. How many hearts?
4. Should I turn around?
Nah.
I'm gonna do it. Alright, 3.5. Ah! Why do you do that? Going up here. Okay, I wanna do this. Oh. Die. Alright, I'm pretty much dead. I died. Yep.
You had a... Never mind. This for this. You had a diamond.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
He just picked it up.
Possible. Impossible. GG.
GG. Yeah, let's try to get on to another.
Yeah, and we can actually like upload this one too.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload now.
I'm gonna upload my first game of the fridge. Woohoo!
We both are. Woo! Look, Moonbase 9. Throw one.
I'm gonna see which ones that I can
Okay,
actually
that's
join.
it. This was Duck on Quack.
And it was Neon Cat. Oh, I'm in 20. I'm in 20. Going 20.
So see ya.
Yeah, see you guys.